Hey, all you OBS guys out there. Do a little spring upgrade. Putting in the 2500 springs. I just wanted to point this out to you. So this is the part that just came out. It's what holds your axle in. You can see it was on the verge of breaking. Not much left. I thought this side was bad. This was the passenger side. But the driver's side, holy cow. Now still, this thing was about to fail, but still I think it would have held the axle in just fine. Yeah. The truck I got the donor springs from, it's 2500 series. And this is a 98, 10 years newer. This is an 88. And you can see there's a much better piece of equipment. So if you have one of these trucks, you better get out and take a look at these. I want to think about replacing them. And you can see they sit like this, so they're gonna fill up with mud and water and everything else and just sit there. I'm sure GM had a reason for designing it like this, but a nice big weep hole right here probably would save this. Yeah, that's just crazy. It's kind of scary. So again, from the donor truck, you can see these factory pieces are real nice. From the old truck, when I tried to take this one off, it busted. It was half of its original thickness. So yeah, get out and take a look. Here's the one I removed from the passenger side. So yeah, I'd get out and take a look, make sure. And I'm having a lot of trouble getting that bolt out. It's stuck. The actual bolt is stuck in the sleeve in here. When I'm wrenching it, I'm turning this piece of metal inside of the rubber. So it's fused, rust welded itself. All right, more to come.